Siamo qui oggi con Gerd, la località è Roncadelle di Ormelle e adesso gli chiederò come va. Dovremo fare l'intervista in inglese e poi eventualmente la tradurrò. So Gerd, today is Friday 26th of April and you are near the Piave River with your donkeys right down there. Hello, donkeys. So tell us about your experience so far here in Veneto.
In Veneto, I arrived in Veneto, I think 1.5 weeks ago, and since this time the travel grows up to another possibilities. I don't know. Since my possibility, since my life is on Facebook, then the people know me and come to me, and they are really helpful to me, and I meet people. Yet and the people, the life is getting more and more normal for me. That is what I wanted to have, a normal life. This is my normal life. This is my life, to living out, to living in the nature, to live without a house, casa, and I see this is absolutely. The people are respectful to me, and they respect to when someone lives like this, like me, to be. This is my home now. This Italian, I feel Italian is my home. This is the area where I can live, where I feel secure.
Mm-hmm. You also have had an opportunity to go in a place and work for the next month, and they offered you a place. So how do you feel about this?
This is really great, because I live day for day, day by day, and when I have the possibility to stay and to work and to give the animals a place to stay, a secure place, that is great. Then because the life is so different, and when I not have to work, to walk, and I have a place to stay, it's more intensive in a situation. It's I didn't walk all the day. I can stay. I can talk to the people every day. I can grow up to know them better. So it's a different way of life, and so this is what I thought about this life. If it's possible for me to work anywhere and to stay, that I want to stay, and if the time is by the end, I walk my way. So this is the.
So you.
I think my thinking is it's getting real. it's a real life. So it is.
So you stay here for a month, and then you eventually will be heading south, right?
Yes, this is right. Yes.
This is your plan.
This is the plan. Yes. Then I walk in direction South Italy. See.
South Italy.
See.
So it's good. You have found that the people here in the area are very good.
Absolutely.
And they give
It's
you everything you need.
Really great. They
A place to stay.
They give me a place to stay. They give me secure. They give me the feeling to be welcome. Really, it's really great. See.
How is it to be without a telephone in these days that are all internet, all Wi-Fi, all messages, and you have no telephone? How do you live with that?
It is great because it's in this time it's a possibility to be a little bit alone. Now with these possibilities with internet, with Facebook, where I am now, it is like this that I'm already not alone, but this is I feel without a telephone I'm here. Io qua. See, it's a feeling. It's a feeling like in an old time, you know, when there was not the possibility to connect anytime together. So it's a really good life for me, and when I have to I need to have a telephone call, then it is possible. It's not possible like in the 80s, where everywhere in the post office or a telephone box. We didn't have a telephone box here, but we have the possibility to telephone in a bar or something. It is possible, and it's a good life. Yes.
Okay, so until next time, Gerd, you have a good day, and we'll catch you up with you next time.
Grazie, danke.